Since our founding on the University of Illinois campus in 1907, more than 1,700 men have had the honor of being initiated into the University of Illinois chapter of Triangle Fraternity. Living together has strengthened the bonds of brotherhood, making 112 East Daniel Street more than just a house, but a home that fosters a long tradition of recruiting academically focused men who are committed to developing leadership skills that will serve them professionally as leaders in their communities. The current house was built in the early 1960s and until recently has had no major renovations. For the last 2 years, alumni of the Illinois chapter, in partnership with the Triangle Education Foundation, have worked hard to raise funds for the estimated $4.3 million in renovation costs. This ambitious goal has allowed alumni and donors to give back for the experience that Illinois Triangle has provided for over 115 years. Major renovations of the main floor include a new open aesthetic and new finishes with new furnishings that can be flexibly arranged to facilitate collaboration and study. In addition, the kitchen was completely renovated, which facilitated bringing meal preparation back into the house and enabling a renewed emphasis on the brotherhood benefits of shared meals. Brotherhood and collaboration are infused throughout the house, including a new study room on the 6th floor and the redevelopment of the 7th floor as a study lounge and meeting room. One of the most exciting parts of this multi-million-dollar project is the addition of a makerspace on the northeast corner of the house. Building on the legacy of the former workshop on the 7th floor, the makerspace provides a cutting-edge environment for STEM projects and builds on Triangle's legacy as a unique leader on the Illinois campus. The makerspace includes 2 rooms, one with workstations for electronics work, including a 3D printer, and the other focused on mechanical fabrication. As an example, it's entirely possible to create a complete robot in the makerspace, including both electronic and mechanical systems. The exterior of the chapter house has undergone a comprehensive renovation, including restoration of the triangle lattice and other unique design elements, as well as new entry doors, new energy-efficient windows and framing on the main floor and south stairwell, replacement of all roofing materials, new roof insulation, aluminum cladding on fascia and soffits, new signage and lighting, and ADA-compliant accessibility for the main floor. 7 new single and double bedrooms were added on the 6th floor, the lower dorm in the early decades of the house, enabling us to regain a house capacity of 50 men. The renovation includes a total of 13 double bedrooms for underclassmen and 24 single bedrooms for upperclassmen. The 2nd and 4th floor bathrooms were completely rebuilt, and another common bathroom was added on the 6th floor. The existing main floor washroom was replaced by 2 ADA-compliant guest washrooms. The 7th floor, which was the upper dorm in the early decades of the house, was built out as a brotherhood room to provide additional social and networking space for chapter members. With the renovation, the existing boiler heating system was completely replaced by a modern heating and cooling system throughout the house, including the upper floors that were previously not heated. Removal of the old mechanical equipment from the basement opened up a new space for the weight room. With the renovation, we also resolved long-standing plumbing and electrical issues, renovated the basement rec room, and replaced and relocated the bar, while reutilizing the barn wood that was reclaimed and added to the basement by brothers over 40 years ago. A second egress for the basement was added to meet fire code, and the laundry was relocated to the interior room on the 4th floor, conveniently in the center of the house. The Illinois chapter of Triangle has provided an ideal place for men studying engineering, architecture, and the sciences to refine their leadership skills and develop lifelong friendships while promoting positive community and professional engagement. Now, with the renovation of our chapter home, we are able to further focus and re-energize our mission to build better men for a better world.